hello. So let's do a bit of an Airbnb tour, shall we? So, if we go in here, this is obviously the main area. We got a staircase, how lovely. We got a place where you hang your coats. I didn't bring any coats because it's warm. We got a loo in here, and then we got a shower and some sinks to wash your disgusting hands. We got a basement in here, creepy. And then we got a garage which we can store frozen things, and a fridge. How nice. And then we got the kind of living room and kitchen area. So, all of the necessities and the essentials, the bare necessities. Shit TV, but can't ask for everything. And then if we go upstairs, bearing in mind the reason I'm doing a video now is because basically no one's in, everyone else is out elsewhere. So we got another bedroom in here. I won't go in there, private, it's not mine. We've got another bathroom in here. How nice. I've not had a shower in this one, so I don't know if the pressure's any good. But basically, we've got another room in here, bunk bed and a double bed. This house is just on the outskirts of Roche-en-Ardenne, and it has 8 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, I believe. And it's quite nice. It's a nice house. Anyway, we've got another room in there. We've got another shower and obviously sinks. And this is our room. So this is my parents' room. I sleep up there, which is basically, if we can head up here real quick, basically turn the light on as well. 3 single beds. I sleep here. I'm the only one that's sleeping here, thankfully. So there we go. I'm also cooking lasagna because I'm fat. So, what are you laughing at, mother? Oh, good. And if we go out, I'm overexposed. Give me 1 minute. And we've got the outdoor area. So, if we have a little look around, we've got all this space, and we've got that space as well, which goes all the way back down there. That's an entrance into the basement. And this, which hasn't been fully built yet, I believe is going to be a sauna or something along those lines. And it looks very nice, actually, too. Very modern. So let's jump down here. And we've got all this space. So we've got a badminton net there. We've got a little playground. We've got all this space. It's actually quite big. Oh, there's the little ball we were playing with the other night, last night I believe. And this is just a short video, just showcasing our Airbnb, because I didn't want to put it in the main video because it might bore you. So thank you for watching this quick video. Make sure to watch the main travel video if you haven't already. I'll put a link in the description. Don't know what my hair's doing. And yeah, more travel videos is on the way. That's a promise. Take care.